So welcome back, you guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to wear my headband, day-to-day boutique headband, as either a scarf or a tie. So let me Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new, thank you for joining. And if you bought a scarf from me and you're tuning in to try to figure out ways you can tie it, you're in the right spot. So yes, let's get into it. So for this scarf, this is what the scarf look like. It's satin lined, and I have them in different Ankara prints. So you can, I'm gonna show you several ways. So the first way I'm gonna show you is folding it to make it a smaller band. And what you wanna do is you bring this around. So this is like one of the simpler ones. You bring this around your head like this. And you can tie it like a bow. You can leave this like this. Or you can tuck the extra wing and you can fix your bow bit. All right, so just like that, you can shift this wherever, however you want to wear it. You can shift it around. That's one way to wear it. Another way to wear it is by you twist this like you're making a twist, or you wrap it around if that's easier for you, same thing. And you'll make a knot here. So you'll make a knot and you'll tuck it under like that. So again, you can shift this however you want to. You can shift it to the right, to the left, to the back, to the center. And if you want to get a little fancy with this, you can do it like this. It should stay, hold on. So let's start that part over. You want to get fancy with this. Once you wrap this around, and it's wrapped around, you tuck it under and you push it through the front. While you leave the other one how it is. So this is like another type of way you can wear it if you want to get fancy with it. If you don't, and you want the silk part to go, you just take this to show, you take this to the top, use it to wrap around the knot. You do the same thing with the other side. You use it to wrap around the knot. So, you can fix it up a little bit. Let's fix this up. Another way to rock it. Take that loose. Another way to rock it will be to wear it like you wear a regular headband. So you take it, you pull it all around, and you tuck it. You're gonna use your finger, find a way to tuck it underneath. You do the same with the other side. So just like that, you have a regular headband. Okay, so let's get into wearing it regular. If you want to wear it regular without it being folded, you unfold, and all you have to do is tie it like this. Again, you can repeat the same styles, or you can do it this way. So this forms a different style when you have it unfolded. So you still got a headband, but it's thicker. So you can do it like that. Make sure you tuck in the back. Okay, so that's how that looks. Okay, so if you want to get fancy like we did the other ones, you do the same thing. You twist it, and then you can do a knot. This will give a different look than the other one because you have the band thicker, but it's still a cute look. So that's that way, okay? And then, like I said the other time, you can do this where you leave. Sometimes you don't need anything to hold it onto it, and sometimes you do. So if you need something to hold it, you can use a bobby pin. You don't have to use a safety pin, or you can do like I showed you, where you loop it through and then you bring it back out, because it still gives the same effect. Okay. There you go. All right. So I'm sure there's many other ways you can wear this. Those are just a few. If you have an idea of how to rock this that's cute and chic, go ahead and tag me to it on my boutique page at DAETODAY Boutique. Okay, that's at Day to Day Boutique. All right. So those are ways you wear my headband, my tie-in. So let me try my hand at a tie. I used to know how to tie a tie, so let's see. So go ahead and put this around your neck. Put this, loop it around. I probably should have made this shorter, so let's start again. Put this around your neck. Keep your finger right there. Try to keep it folded and neat. All right, once you do that, bring it back under. Take it up this way. Bring it through. This is kind of how you can wear it as a cheek low tie. Okay, I think that's how you do a tie. So that's kind of how you can do it like that. If you're somebody that likes to wear this type of stuff around your neck, you can do it like that. Or you can just wear it as a regular neck scarf with your outfit. You just keep like that and you keep it moving. You can even do it where you tie it as a bow around your neck, and it can just accentuate your outfit. You can make the bow better. If I can get it to come out. All right, so you just make the bow better like that. Or you can leave it a little messy so it's not too perfect, because sometimes it looks good when it's not too perfect. So that's another way to wear this. So you can use it as a headband. You can use it as a cute little tie. Not the professional tie, but it's still cute. It's fashionable. Or you can wear it as a little neck scarf or bow tie around your neck. So those are ways to wear the Day to Day Boutique tie headband. So yes, see you guys on the next one. Peace. Tie-in headband. If you're interested in buying this product, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram or email me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.